Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. In today's session, we will be looking at how can you organize and filter your teams in your team's homepage. This will save us a lot of time when you are a member or owner of multiple teams, especially for the admins. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I am on my team's homepage, and as you can see, I am part of various different teams, but sometimes it kind of gets really hard for you to go and look for the particular team that you are member of or the owner of. The easiest way to filter down your teams is to simply go to this filter icon right here, click on it, and then the first thing I would like to see is all the classes that I'm teaching. So here I am, all the classes that I am part of, the owner of, and a member of is right here. Now when I click on it, I can actually pick my PLC teams. There you go. I go back to the filter, pick on staff. Here are the staff teams. I go back here and pick on others, and these are the other teams that I am a member of. So this is a quick way to filter down your teams, especially if you're an admin or if you are a part of various other teams. But if you like me and if you like to see all your teams at once and making sure you're not missing on anything, then this is what I highly recommend. You can rearrange your teams based on your priority. Because I am a full-time instructor, I would like to see my classes first, and then the PLC, and then the staff, and then the others. And the easiest way to do that is simply drag and drop. So there's my first stats class. I'm going to look for the other one. Where is it? Right here. Drag and drop, drag and drop. And I'm looking for my contemporary math classes. Drag and drop, drag and drop. These are my staff and other teams that I'm part of, so I don't want them on the first line. Here is my team's math. I use that as a sandbox. Here is my samples teams class. I use that to record my YouTube videos. So the easiest way is to simply drag and drop or click on the filter and filter the classes that you want to see. I hope this trick helps. If it does, please make sure you like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There could be an admin who really wants to filter the teams down but is unable to. And always remember, happy teaching!